Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy any tablet during this tablet Premier League sale in Flipkart.com, there is offer on some of the Samsung tablets. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 8GB RAM and 128GB Wi-Fi version, in that case this device is available at a price point of 42,000 rupees because the pricing is showing 55,749 rupees and you will get discounts of 12,750 rupees. So the effective price will be around 42,000 rupees. Then if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, then I will suggest you to buy this tablet, that is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, because this will give you more value of your money, and at 42,000 rupees you will get better display, better processor, and also multitasking will be very good on this tablet. So this is a better tablet than Tab S9 FE Plus. Next, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 8GB RAM and 128GB Wi-Fi version, in that case the price is showing above 16,000 and after discount you will get around 14,750 rupees. So I don't think this is a good pricing for this tablet, because in Amazon.in some days ago it was available at 13,499 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, in that case the price of this tablet is on the higher side. The current pricing of this product is showing around 27,000 rupees, and after discount with Kotak credit card you will get only 1,750 rupees cashback. So the effective price will be 25,549 rupees, but I think you will get this tablet under 20,000 rupees in holy sale, so you should rather wait for this tablet. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage, in that case the price is showing 78,999 rupees and you will get only 1,750 rupees cashback. So I don't think this is a good pricing for this tablet. You should skip this tablet right now. Rather you should buy S10 Plus or S10 series tablet and wait for the right offers to come when you will get discounts on this tablet also. I will let you know about the best offers on tablets. So if you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Actually, many users comment that the price changes. Price change is a fluctuating matter. Sometimes the price is lower and sometimes the price increases. So if you are watching this video little bit later, maybe the price has changed. So don't blame me, because I am making this video on the current status. Price may change, there is no doubt, and there is nothing that I can do. I can only suggest you the best tablet that are available. I am not confirming any price or I am not claiming anything, and I am also not suggesting to buy any particular tablet. So it is your own decision whether you want to buy that tablet or not, and as per me you should buy that tablet which you like most. Hope this video has become informative to you. Please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much.